Morning everybody, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all well. Right, today's review is from Bodycare and it is from the Kleeneze range. Right, I picked this up for £2.99 in the Bodycare shop. I'm going to show you all the information it has on the back. It's good for dishes, fridges, worktops and cutting boards. It's non-scratch, perfect for non-stick pans and delicate items. You can use it in your bathroom, sinks and tiles, and it's perfect for a deep clean, hard to reach places. It has some info on the side. It's a super absorbent sponge for general cleaning. It's a flexi foam. It goes hard in cold water for tough stains and soft in warm water for everyday cleaning. And it has a suction pad which lets the sponges dry and also for them not to smell. So we're going to get it open and we're going to have a look. Right, let's open it up and have a look together. So there's your two sponges. They're supposed to be fuzzy bees. Sorry about all the, I can't even open this. Sorry about all the rustling. Right, we'll open it up. So there's one. There's two. Oh, and that's the suction pad. Cup, not pad, cup, pad, whatever you want to call it, where you can stick it on your tiles, you can stick it on your sink, so wherever you want your sponges to be, and it just pops in like that. So I thought what we could do is we could test it out on some grubby pans. So we're going to go over to the sink and we're going to get the review started. Right, here's my pan with built-on stains. Well, it's not my pan, it's old food guy's pan. So we're going to try and get some of this built-on grease off. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to run it under the cold tap, because it says for cold water it's better for built-on stains. I haven't put any cleaning products on it yet. We're just going to give it a scrub. Right, I'm scrubbing this area here. No, nothing, look, it's not even come off on the sponge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some warm water and we'll try it with some warm water before we put some cleaning product on it. Right, I'm going to turn the pan round and do it on a bit of a different area. I'm going to do it over here. I haven't got very good grip today. Right, this was with some warm water. Sorry about the noise. Nothing, it hasn't removed anything. And the sponge is a tiny bit dirty. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get some washing up liquid and we're going to see if it works that way, under the cold water and under the warm water. Right, I've run it under the cold tap for tougher stains. I've put a bit of washing up liquid on and we're going to have another go. I'm trying to give it a really good scrub because just wiping it's just not happening. Right, we're going to swirl those suds off now. Nothing at all. It hasn't got anything off. Let's have a look at the sponge. Just a tiny little bit of dirt on it. Right, I'm going to do exactly the same. I'm going to dry the pan. I'm going to run it under the hot tap and put some washing up liquid on it. Right, I'm going to change the saucepan to a different position. I've ran it under the hot tap. I'm going to put some washing up liquid on and we're going to give it a scrub with it being warm. You can't get a very good grip with these sponges. I don't know if it's me or whether it's just the sponge, but we're going to rinse the bit off that I've just done here. And look, it hasn't got anything off at all. Right, well, while we're standing over here, I will see if this suction pad cup works and see whether we can stick the sponge on. So I'm just going to stick it here and put the sponge on. But then if you try to put your bowl back, see if it's got room. Oh, we've got plenty of room. That is a good idea, because then your sponge can dry out properly without it stinking and stuff, and it's completely out of the way. So that is a good idea. Right, for the review, I'm going to give it a 1. I'm only going to give it a 1 because I like the idea of sticking this and letting your sponge completely dry out of the way. Other than that, I wouldn't even waste your money on these. You see in the pan, it hasn't even got any of it off. I've tried it in cold water, hot water, and with some washing up liquid on, and nothing. You'd at least expect it to get a little bit off, but it didn't. And the only reason that I brought the Kleeneze brand is because when I went to B&M, the daddy scrub things, whatever you call them, for a pack of 2 were $4.99, where these were only $2.99. And for the suction cup in B&M, it was $3.69 just for the suction cup. So that's why I decided to try this brand, as I thought the Daddy Caddy and Daddy Scrub things were really expensive. But I wouldn't even waste your money or your time with these. So I'm sorry, Kleeneze, you get a 1. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all later. Bye.